Welcome to the MTD Engineering Economic Indicator. What on earth is it? Well, we speak to a lot of engineers, so we thought let's get a vibe for how they're feeling about the engineering industry in general across the UK. So you've got your ups and downs, your peaks and troughs, as you can see by the graph, over many, many years. At the moment, are we going to have a big recession or a big climb? I don't know, absolutely not. But we speak to people on the ground and find out what they've got to say. So we've got a scale from 0 to 100. 50 is neutral, 100 you're going gangbusters, 0 you're pretty much closing the door. Anywhere in between that, how you feel about the economy. So we spoke to a number of engineering companies throughout November, and some of the comments are just here. So you've got Titan Motorsport scored 86. Now why was this? Well, 86, motorsport was one of the reasons, but they've also invested heavily. Some great new machines, some multi-pallet machines as well. So that's one of the reasons. We also spoke to guys at Monard Precision. They do a lot of motorsport themselves. So that's one of the reasons why they're busy. So a great score of 75. Desmond Engineering, again, investment. That is a big theme coming out of this. They scored a big 64. They're in power generation, marine, but they've got some big machines, some VTLs, but also some 5-axis work as well. So that's one of the reasons why they're still positive. But it's not all positive. There's a couple of people who weren't so positive. Now, I won't give their names. I don't think that's right. But we spoke to one exporter. Now, they said that things in the UK ticking along, but exporting really dried up. So that makes it a bit difficult. And then we had one engineering company scored a really poor, well, really sad to say, 21. Why is that? Pretty much the industry they're serving, it's oil and gas, and they said it's really dried up. So that gives a feel for where things are. Motorsport really good, oil and gas not so good. So what's the score for November? We spoke to 26 different engineers, and the first EEI, MTD EEI, was a whopping 58.2. So that's telling me that the engineering industry is positive, even in this current climate we're in. So that's absolutely fantastic. A lot of engineers are really busy. But some of the points that have come out from our conversations are, first of all, investment is key. You've got to keep up with the competition or ahead of them. Another one is automation. So not just your robot arms, but you're thinking sliding head machines with your bar feed, or fixed head machines with your bar feed, and multi-pallet machines. So investment, so you can keep running 24/7. Now a number of other things as well. So exports, as an example. Now, where will they be? Will Brexit affect you? It has slowed down a bit. Another thing is reshoring. Now, a lot of work has gone to China, to India. The quality of the work may not be so good, but as I understand it, there are a lot of people inspecting, and they have their own inspectors in those companies over in China, in India. So the quality of work is really good now. But people are still reshoring, so you've got control, and UK engineering is a fantastic industry. Really high quality products. So that's one of the other things. And then engineering in general, it is really busy. So that's it, the first MTD Engineering Economic Indicator. And if you've got any comments or want to give your scores, then go to the website, go to LinkedIn, go to Twitter, go to Facebook, get your comments, your thoughts. We'll be delighted to hear from you. So that's it, the MTD, the very first MTD Engineering Economic Indicator, 58.2 for November 2020.